Welcome to Fact Fusion. Today, we're diving deep, and I mean really deep, into one of the most mysterious places on our planet, the deep ocean. Imagine a place so dark that no sunlight ever reaches it. A place so cold and under such high pressure that it would crush a submarine like a tin can. This is where some of the weirdest, most alien-looking creatures on Earth call home. These creatures are so strange that they look like they jumped out of a science fiction movie. From glowing predators with built-in fishing rods to terrifying monsters with transparent teeth, the deep ocean is full of surprises. So, buckle up and get ready to explore some of the most bizarre creatures found in the abyssal depths of the sea. Let's dive in. Our first deep-sea dweller is the anglerfish, a creature that would make any science fiction writer proud. Imagine a fish with a mouth full of razor-sharp teeth, a body covered in dark, rough skin, and a peculiar lure hanging over its head that glows in the dark. That's right, the anglerfish comes with its own built-in flashlight. This light bulb, called a lure, is bioluminescent, which means it produces light thanks to special bacteria living inside it. The anglerfish uses this glowing lure to attract other fish. In the pitch-black depths of the ocean, the light is irresistible to curious prey. They swim closer, and just when they think they've found something interesting, snap! The anglerfish's huge mouth opens wide, and the prey is swallowed whole. The anglerfish is the ultimate deep-sea predator, lurking in the darkness and using its light to hunt. It shows us just how clever and creepy ocean life can get. Next up, we have a creature that has fascinated humans for centuries, the giant squid. Imagine a squid so big that it can grow up to 43 feet long. That's longer than a school bus. For many years, sailors told stories of the kraken, a giant sea monster that could pull entire ships under the waves. Today, we know that these tales were likely inspired by sightings of the giant squid. These mysterious creatures live deep in the ocean and are rarely seen by humans. They have huge eyes, the size of dinner plates, which help them see in the dark depths. They also have long tentacles equipped with powerful suckers and even hooks, which they use to catch prey like fish and smaller squids. The giant squid remains one of the ocean's greatest mysteries. Scientists are still learning new things about it, like how it uses its beak, the largest of any animal, to tear apart its prey. It's a reminder of how much we still have to discover about the deep sea. Now, let's meet the vampire squid, a creature with a name that sounds like it belongs in a horror movie. The vampire squid isn't a vampire, but it does have a spooky appearance. It has large, bright red eyes that seem to glow in the dark, and its body is covered in a webbing that looks like a cloak. When it feels threatened, the vampire squid turns itself inside out, showing off its spiny tentacles to scare away predators. But that's not all. This deep-sea dweller can also create its own light, producing glowing spots on its body to confuse predators. Instead of hunting like its squid relatives, the vampire squid feeds on marine snow, a mix of dead plankton, algae, and other tiny particles that drift down from the upper layers of the ocean. It's like a recycling machine, helping to clean up the ocean floor. The vampire squid shows us how creative evolution can be, adapting creatures to survive even in the darkest and most hostile environments. Our next creature is the goblin shark, and trust me, it looks as weird as it sounds. Often called a living fossil, the goblin shark has been around for millions of years. It has a long, flat snout and an extendable jaw that shoots out to catch prey. This shark's teeth are thin and needle-like, perfect for gripping slippery fish and squid. The goblin shark lives so deep in the ocean that it is rarely seen by humans, which adds to its mysterious reputation. When it was first discovered, people thought it looked like something from another time, or even another planet. Unlike other sharks, the goblin shark is slow and sluggish, but it makes up for it with its lightning-fast jaws. Its pinkish skin is also unique, almost transparent, which gives it an eerie appearance. The goblin shark reminds us that there are still many ancient creatures lurking in the depths, unchanged for millions of years. Meet the dragonfish, another terrifying predator of the deep ocean. The dragonfish has a set of unique adaptations that make it a top predator in its dark world. First, it has transparent teeth that make it hard for prey to see when it opens its mouth to strike. It also has a long, barbed chin whisker that glows in the dark. This bioluminescent lure helps it attract prey, much like the anglerfish. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The dragonfish can produce a red light. Most deep-sea creatures can't see red light, which gives the dragonfish a huge advantage when hunting. It's like having night vision goggles in a pitch-black world. This predator's hunting tactics are all about stealth and surprise, making it one of the most fascinating creatures in the deep ocean. Finally, let's talk about a creature that might not look like much, but is incredibly important to the deep-sea ecosystem: the sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers come in many shapes and sizes, but they all share one thing in common: they help keep the ocean clean. These creatures slowly crawl across the ocean floor, eating detritus, bits of dead plants, animals, and other organic material. Think of them as the vacuum cleaners of the sea. But sea cucumbers have some surprising tricks up their sleeve. When threatened, they can expel their internal organs to scare away predators. Don't worry, they can regenerate these organs later. This amazing ability helps them survive in a world full of danger. Sea cucumbers play a crucial role in recycling nutrients and maintaining the balance of the ocean ecosystem. And there you have it, a journey into the deep, dark ocean, where the most bizarre and incredible creatures live. From the anglerfish with its glowing lure to the dragonfish with its invisible light, these animals have evolved in extraordinary ways to survive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. They remind us of the vastness of our oceans and how much we still have to learn about the world beneath the waves. So next time you think about the ocean, remember there is a whole other world down there, full of mystery and wonder. Who knows what else is waiting to be discovered in the abyssal depths? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fact Fusion, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.